Hey guys, welcome to Cook with Nancy. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a beautiful and delicious breakfast recipe in less than 15 minutes. This has lots of vegetable. If your kids are someone who doesn't like to eat vegetable, sneak up the vegetables in this recipe and give it to them. They would not even know it. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe below for the upcoming videos. In a large pan, I'm adding 1 cup of vermicelli in 1 teaspoon of oil. We are going to cook this on a medium low heat. Make sure it's not too dark of a color, and to this I'm adding half a cup of suji, with the suji that we use for upma, and go ahead and fry them for 5 minutes and transfer into a bowl. Now to this we are going to add some yogurt. Here I have 1 cup of yogurt, but my yogurt is not a sour yogurt, but if you're using a sour yogurt, just make sure you use less of a yogurt and substitute with some water or a milk. Now go ahead and mix them, and to this I'm adding half a cup of water, but I'm not going to probably use the whole water, or I might, depending on the consistency, you might need more or less. So just make sure you add a little bit at a time so that you know how much water you need. Now I've added all the water and the consistency looks something like this. I'm going to rest it for 5 to 10 minutes until the suji and the vermicelli softens up. The vermicelli is nice and soft. At this point I'm adding 1 small onion finely chopped, 1/4 cup of red peppers finely chopped. Here I have green chilies, couple of them as per your taste, 1 large carrot finely grated. Go ahead and add all the ingredients into the mixture. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, salt as needed. Go ahead and add them again to the mixture. 1 stick of curry leaves, you can just pull them with your hand or cut them into small pieces, add them to the mixture. 1/4 cup of cilantro and pinch of hing. And go ahead and mix them all together until it's well combined. The consistency should not be very runny or very thick. Here I have a pinch of baking soda. To this I'm adding 1 teaspoon water just to activate. Just mix them well, and right away we will go ahead and start frying them. Here in a pan I have 1 tablespoon oil. It's on medium high heat. I'm going to just go ahead and add 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoons. You can make smaller size, you want to make a medium size. It's totally up to you what size you want to make. Go ahead and fry them for 2 minutes and then cover it and cook it for another 1 minute. Now go ahead and flip it over, and we will cook for another 2 minutes by covering the lid. Covering with the lid. Now once it is done cooking, you can serve this right away when it's hot with the green chutney or even with a simple raita. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you have any questions, let me know. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care guys. Bye.